Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Glen and let's do some traveling. So let me tell you about this place I stayed in, Jaco. And the cool thing about this place is that it's very close to the beach. You can walk to the beach, and the beautiful thing about this is that you're not paying the on-beach prices for the hotel, and you still have easy, quick access. You really don't need transportation when you stay at this place, or you can rent like a golf cart, or they have scooters and stuff like that. The normal stuff that you can rent in Costa Rica when you're beachside. Anyways, you can walk to the beach. You can walk to all of the accommodations around, restaurants, shopping, you name it. At this hotel also, they have excursion packages that you can plan, and they'll pick you up right at the hotel and deliver you right back to the hotel. Check those out. There's a pretty cool one that you go to Tortuga Island, which is a must-see. I've got another video on that you should check out. But that is an amazing excursion. But back to this hotel. The accommodations here are pretty well. They have, of course, the internet, Wi-Fi, and cable and that sort of thing. The wonderful thing is that you can stay pretty much at the hotel and get everything you need. There's a poolside menu that you can hang out at the pool pretty much all day, and they will bring you back whatever you want, back and forth. So this place is like, again, is on the more economic side of things, and depending on the season, of course. But I find it to be a really nice hotel for what you pay for the room. There are nice accommodations in the room. You have a refrigerator, you have a sitting area, and then you've got pretty much a space you can hang out at inside the room in the air conditioning, which in some of the hotels you have to be careful. They don't have air conditioning, but this particular hotel does, and it's pretty nice for what you pay. So I hope this is helpful. Take care and see you in the next video. Please subscribe, and I appreciate your support.